We're back again today. All right, so real quick video. I just want to do a quick update video. Well, not really an update video, but just to inform you guys that when you sign up for Kucoin, you can be a US resident and you can use Kucoin, and Kucoin does have XRP. I'm logged into Kucoin right now and I'm going to show you the markets. I'm not sure why some people are saying in the comments that you cannot buy Ripple XRP on Kucoin. I don't know what I'm doing that's special that you're not doing, but I don't know. All right, before we get started though, before I show you that Ripple is on Kucoin, before you even sign into Kucoin, you want to make sure you have your VPN turned on. You can get your VPN right here, NordVPN. You should always have your VPN turned on. I mean, you can set it as a US resident. You can choose which country you want. Set it as a US resident, turn your NordVPN on, because you're putting your information and you put your crypto information into the website. And, you know, hackers, you don't want to be a victim to a hacker. So make sure you have all your information encrypted. And with NordVPN, all your information is encrypted. The only people that are seeing your information are the people that are supposed to be seeing your information. You and the website that you're entering your information into. So turn your NordVPN on and set it for US residency, because you are in the US and Kucoin allows US residents to use their VPN. I mean, to use their service. So no need to change it to Spain like if you're using Binance. But that's another video that you can find information about right over there or over there somewhere. I'm gonna put a card on the screen somewhere about that video with using Binance as a US resident. You can do it. It's definitely doable. And I have 2 videos, maybe even 3 videos explaining how to do it. How to use Binance as a US resident. But this video is just an update video on Kucoin. So turn on your VPN first. If you don't have your VPN, sign up for the NordVPN link down below in the description. Use that VPN service. It's fantastic. It's quick, it's fast, and it's reliable. All right, so we're gonna go to Kucoin. And just to show you that XRP is on Kucoin, Ripple is on Kucoin. I don't know why people are saying in the comments that they can't buy XRP on Kucoin. Markets. Clicking markets right here. And look at that right there, XRP USDT. And that's all. So let's search XRP and see what trading pairs are available on Kucoin for Ripple. We have USDT, we have USDC, we have TUSD, and we have PAX. Looks like those are the only trading pairs that are available for Ripple. I don't think there is a BTC Ripple trading. Oh, there is. Look, I don't know why it says, Okay, so you can trade Ripple against BTC, KCS, altcoins, Neo, Ethereum, and US dollar. Well, you know, the stable coins. You could trade XRP against the stable coins. So it's there. I don't see why you guys don't see it. All right, so let's go back out of there. And another token, or another great project, the THETA token, THETA project, which is essentially decentralized web 3.0 or 2.0. I don't know if we're on 2.0 right now, so it's probably 3.0. But anyway, it allows, what the THETA project is, it allows you to be part of the network, and it will use your computer's bandwidth and your computer's hard drive and processing power so that you can participate in securing a network, not securing a network, but being part of the internet. This is fantastic for video distribution, and you can find information about THETA. Just go to the website. There's a lot of big names behind it. It's a fantastic product. They actually have THETA.tv available right now, where you can check out some people that's doing live streams. They're using the service already, and it's an active product. They actually have a product available, and it's a top 20 crypto, if I'm not mistaken. At least top 50 for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's still in the top 20 right now. And it's a fantastic product. And they are now available on Kucoin. You can buy THETA token, and I think you may even be able to buy T-Fuel, which is their which is kind of like their gas for the network, for the THETA token network. So let's search THETA, boom, there it is, THETA USDT, and it is new. So you can trade THETA, you can buy THETA using Kucoin, and you can be a US resident to use Kucoin as well. So that's one hurdle that's solved, because a lot of people was having problems buying the THETA token because it was only on binance.com, and you cannot be a US resident to use binance.com. But again, I do have a way around that using one of the videos posted I'll put the video down below in the description for how to get on Binance as a US resident. So there it is. That's THETA. Let's see if there's T-Fuel as well. They should have T-Fuel. Oh, they didn't add T-Fuel. Yeah, so they didn't list T-Fuel yet, but you can still buy THETA, which is fantastic. If you want to buy T-Fuel, T-Fuel is also been going up significantly in price as well. And it's also, you know, it's part of the THETA project, so you may want to get you some T-Fuel and THETA. So just use the link down below in the description to buy T-Fuel on Binance using the method that I outlined in the video in the description down below. And oh, one other thing I want to talk about. Like, if you don't have any money to buy any cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys check this out. Resource Finder, link is down below in the description. And what this does right here, it allows you to get access to billions in grant money that you never have to pay back. So it says it right here, get access to billions in grant money that never has to be paid back. It's real simple to sign up. Just put your full name. Did I just dox myself? No, you guys can't see that. Just put your full name right here and put your email address right there, and then you get access right now. And that's how you get started. Grants for available, free grants are available to help poor families out of economic crisis, for education, other financial resources. You know, there's a lot of information on here. You can get grants for all types of situations. Just make sure you guys check it out. Link is down below in the description. Real easy to get started. Just your name and your email address to get started. And yeah, that's it. So quick recap. Turn on your VPN. Go to Kucoin, but you can just leave your VPN set to a US country. You don't have to go to Spain or Germany. You don't have to set your VPN to that. So go to Kucoin, buy your cryptos, get you some THETA, get you some XRP. It's on Kucoin. Kucoin is a fantastic exchange. They do have an app, and the app works great. So use that. And if you ain't got any money to trade, or even if you do have money to trade, this is a fantastic option. Try it out. Resource Finder. Link is down below in the description. And yeah, man, that's it. So you get your Ripple from Kucoin. You can get your THETA from Kucoin. And you'll be good to go. So that's it. Just wanted to make a real quick video outlining some of the benefits of Kucoin. And again, you can use the link down below to sign up for Kucoin. And you can save you some money on some transaction fees by using my link down below in the description. And yeah, so that's it, man. Peace. Deuces.